จะมีสู้บอมโป้นี่คือจีหางเชงมีหอนตระเจ็ดบาทกบาประมิงไงนี่จริงเป็นโอยืดมันติดขนมตำไหลประมิงคือบานแต่ปีดับผมบุยตลาดเต้นขนมวิชีบกิดเจ้าคือดับผมเปิดจุดผมบุญดับกดให้ขนมตำไหลขนมตำหลังคือปีป้อน160 ปีใช้ดับตลาดขนมบุญตำหลังไอ้ไงนี่ยังมีบอดอยู่กามุ้ยแต่บอมโป้ไอ้สตับบานติง
Strategist of BubbaTrading.com. And he is a veteran trader who's been in the markets for decades, having correctly called a number of big moves. And we'll be talking about his outlook for 2023. Welcome back to the show, Todd.
David, it's always great to be with you. It's a joy to actually speak with you about what's going on in the world today.
Pleasure's all mine and ours, of course. You are one of our more popular guests on Kitco. Todd, let's break down what's happening with the markets today. We'll focus on gold and silver and the stock markets. Big swings in all these markets after the Fed announcement at 2 p.m. And things have started to recover following big drops in both stocks and gold. Walk us through what happened.
Well, you know, the whisper number or the expectation was 50 basis points. It was exactly what they got. And I think as often happens in markets, is the presumption of moving something would be much greater. So there was too much buying going in ahead of time. Very similar, by the way, to CPI yesterday. You know, on Tuesday, the CPI number was a beat. But of course, the markets were up huge and then tanked and came back to resolve a little bit higher. Today, we were up and running again. And then suddenly out came the number and we had a very big drop. For example, the NASDAQ from its highs dropped over 300 points. Before coming back here now and settling somewhere down between 80 and 100. You know, people have too much of expectation and they're trying to time out the market and be on the right side. And what happens, you get too many people too long going into an announcement like this, and you can only see selling. No matter what it was, you're going to see some selling because that's what we watch. And of course, remember, we're dealing in markets that first of all are trading at about 40 to 50% of normal volumes, number one. Number two, we have very little liquidity in these markets. So you tie all together and it makes it easy for markets to fly over the place. Gold, however, did hold up very well. You know, I think 1840 is a key number, and gold feels, as does silver and platinum, feel like they want to explode to the upside. And they're not waiting for an event, but I think they're waiting for an opportunity to attract some new money buyers that will push them out of these ranges that they've been trading in for quite a while.
All right, well, let's talk about gold in just a bit. But first, I want to talk about the stock markets. At exactly 2 p.m. after the announcement came out of 50 big.
បងប្អូនអាចស្វែងរកបទចការពេញលេញនេះនៅក្នុង Kitco.new បានដោយសារតែយើងយករបស់គេមកទាំងស្រុងពេកវាអាចមានបញ្ហាតើតើជាមួយនឹងសេបទូនោះក៏បានទូទាយតើតើជាមួយនឹងតម្លៃរបស់មាសនឹងឡើងមកវិញគឺក្រោមហេតុផលមានពីរទី1តើតើជាមួយនឹងអតិផរណាដែលយើងបានឃើញហើយកាលក្នុងឆ្នាំ2019 2021នៅពេលដែលមាសឡើងថ្លៃហ្នឹងគឺពេលដែលអតិផរណាចាប់ដើមកើតឡើងមានឡើងហើយមាសនឹងវិលទៅរកកន្លែងដើមវិញព្រោះបច្ចុប្បន្នអតិផរណាកំពុងតែវិលទៅរកកន្លែងដដែលហើយវាមានសភាពធ្ងន់ធ្ងរជាងមុនទៀតហេតុផលទី1ហេតុផលទី2ដែលគាត់និយាយគឺតើតើជាមួយនឹង stock market ដែលវាបានដាំក្បាលចុះទៅហើយមិនថា stock របស់អឺរ៉ុបឬក៏ stock របស់សហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកនោះទេបងប្អូនអាចរកព័ត៌មានបែបនេះឲ្យស៊ីជម្រៅនៅក្នុងការទូទាយបច្ចុប្បន្នមានអ្នកទូទាយថាដុល្លារកំពុងតែក្រងរាជអញ្ចឹងណាសម្រាប់នៅអ្នកដែលវាតម្លៃទៅលើតម្លៃមាសយើងអាហ្នឹងគឺជាការទូទាយរបស់គាត់ប៉ុន្តែបើសិនជាខ្ញុំផ្អែកទៅលើការទូទាយរបស់សេកវិទូខ្ញុំអត់មិនមែនជាអ្នកជំនាញដែលច្បាស់ទេបើសេកវិទូគឺនិយាយថាដុល្លារនៅតែបន្តសភាពខ្លាំងរបស់ខ្លួនក្រោមគោលការណ៍របស់សហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកដែលនឹងប្រកាសបន្តដំឡើងអត្រាការប្រាក់ក្នុងឆ្នាំ2023តែយ៉ាងណាមិញភាពខ្លាំងរបស់វានឹងវាអស់ត្រឹមត្រីមាសទី1អញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអាចចំណាំមើលរបស់តាមដានបានសម្រាប់បងប្អូនដែលចង់បានព័ត៌មានលម្អិតកុំភ្លេចស្វែងយល់នឹងអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំគឺកំឡុងពេលនេះគឺជាពេលដែលយើងអាចទិញមាសទុកនៅក្នុងតម្លៃមួយសមរម្យសន្សំទៅហើយក៏នឹងលក់ចេញមកវិញក្នុងរយៈពេល1ឆ្នាំក្រោយមកឬក៏អាចយូរជាងហ្នឹងប្រសិនបើយើងចង់ចំណេញច្រើនជាងហ្នឹងបាទសូមអរគុណបងប្អូនជំរាបលា